What's going on, y'all? It's time. It's time. It's tomato sandwich time, y'all. So let's go get this bad boy picked, and then we gonna get our sandwich together. And you know it's gonna be tasty. So let's get it. And while you here, don't forget to give me that LSS. What's that you say? That's that like, share, and subscribe. That like, share, and subscribe. And if this is your first time here, glad you're here. Hope you become part of the LSS family, y'all. Cause we love tasty. So yeah, y'all. I just want to give you an idea of how big this tomato is. Nice size. And look at that color on it. Don't it look good? So let's go and make our sandwich. So of course, first thing we're gonna do, just cut us a couple of slices of tomato. Oh my goodness, look at that color, y'all. Let's go get us another tomato slice. So yeah, y'all, let's go ahead and make our sandwich. So on our griddle, we're gonna go ahead and get our bread down. And then we're gonna go ahead and get our tomato slice onto that griddle. Now at this point, you go ahead and add your little salt, but I tasted this tomato and it was already right. So once our bread get toasted on one side, we're gonna get those down. And then we're gonna get us 2 slices of mozzarella cheese. Y'all know how I like my matcha. Y'all know how I like my matcha. 1 on the tomato and 1 slice of bread. Then of course, we're gonna grab our tomato slice and get it on our bread, y'all. Don't do like me, get it right the first time. But anyway, once we got it in position, we're gonna get that top piece on. Then we're gonna give that a flippy flip. And oh yeah, y'all, we finna eat us a tomato sandwich. Grilled cheese tomato sandwich, to be exact. That tomato looked beautiful. The sandwich was so tasty. Hey, I hurt myself. But anyway, love, peace, and keep it grilling, y'all. See ya.